Hi everyone, this is gonna be a simple unboxing and a quick review of the Mast Fold 2 Pro kit. So let's open this beauty. First of all, nice box. Box seems to be well done, but it's hard to open. Suction. You should place a little hole on top. Now, this is the kit. It comes this way. These are the needles that comes with it. Mast needles. This is probably the power cord. No, it's not. It is some black ink. Yeah, triple black. A little 15 mil. And now, the machine seems to be very well done. Let's put this aside for now. Let's put the machine down in there. There'll be some more stuff like little transfer paper, mini transfer papers, and one little mini silicone skin to practice. So that's not bad at all. And you get the instruction book to know how this beauty works. So now, overlook at the machine. It looks beautiful, well made as usual. It looks well protected, well oiled, nice. I have the Mast Archer and I love it. This is why I decided to get this one now. So now this, I'm gonna read the instruction book and I'm gonna come back with how it works. I know the Archer work great. I really like it. That's exactly why I got this. So let's charge this and see what we get with it.